have to train all the actors to fight. The martial art choreographer come in and they create all the form for the actors. Make sure they got the form and everything is complete. Do a lot of training. Make sure the form are right and make sure good to the camera.
I pretty much depend on the action director to make sure that he understands my vision and that he also understands the story.
Sometimes an actor who know how to act, but they don't know how to fight.
There are also many of those who are not so good in martial arts.
Sometimes they know how to fight, but they don't know how to act. So you have to have a combination of both to make it a good fight.
So trying to rehearse them and keep them up to speed with others are some of the challenging things that we are facing.
Sometimes at the shooting location, I thought we think it's good, but when we come back to look at the footage and it's not as good. So we have to go back and shoot it again, repeat it until we get the perfect shot.
It's not motivating the actors and actresses. It's actually demotivating a lot of people when they work so hard for the scene and somehow it's not good.
We meet each other and we kind of talk what we want to do, and then we go out to training. We tape some of the training session, then we come back and reel. Based on that, we make decision what we want.
Go with the rehearsals and watch how the move is going. This shot, I know where to pan the camera to trace with the actions.
Angle also coming from the director.
All the angle had to be perfect.
See how the director wanted each film or each scene. Director may see it differently.
Sometimes I would depend on the director because the director has his point of view.
So we sit down and go with the director what we wanted and explain how some of the shot may not work or may work, and then we go from there on.